friends, it's me Terhi here again. I'm so excited to make my first winter and Christmas layouts because I'm playing today with Hip Kit Club November kits and I'm so excited. I love the papers and I chose to use these green and teal toned papers today. And I especially love this one. But anyway, I'm cutting up piece of each paper about 1.5 inch, a little less maybe, 1.5. Yeah, this is good. And they are, if I remember right, they were 8 inch tall. But that doesn't matter how big slices you want to have. I wanted to make a really simple layout, and that's why this kind of piece of paper on top of another is something I like to go with every time I want to make something super easy. Another one is grid layout, but let's just focus on this one. Anyway, as you can see, there are black and white papers too, which is good because they go with any color scheme. And I want to use these greens and teal and dark blue, because if you see this photograph, they are exactly the same colors, which I love. Anyway, I'm going to add a little bit of mists at this point. These are both from previous color kits, but any green and blue mist will do. And then I'm going to add my photograph, and I'm thinking about adding these. By the way, this is exclusive die set from November kits from Hip Kit Club, and I'm really in love with this one. There were 3 branches, which are always good to go with any kind of theme, and I really like them. And I'm going to add this photograph in kind of with all these embellishments. I don't want to add the embellishments first on the layout because it makes more sense for me to make this kind of cluster thing first and then add the whole thing on the layout, because then I can see where to put it and where not to put it. So that's why I'm playing this way today. So now I'm going to add a little more of these tiny little embellishments, and then some thread maybe, and that's it. Again, I'm using 3D foam as always because I want to have some dimension for the layout. This little flag here and this smaller branch here, and then some more embellishments to make a kind of cluster of these. And I like how much this dark blue color kind of makes the other colors, the green one, pop up more. I didn't like that bow there on top of the picture, so at this point I decided that I'm going to take it away, even though this is a sticker, cardstock sticker. But if you are careful, you can always take it away and put it back somewhere else. Dried glue is only the one that I wouldn't change because it leaves some kind of mark, but I like the bow more here. And as you can see, I'm not going to use any adhesives at this point with the branches and all the embellishments, I'm going to add them quite loosely first, and then in the end I'm going to add more and more adhesives. I want to make sure that I can move things around if I need to do that. These are really tender elements, so if I need to take them off and put back down, it's more and more tricky. So now I'm going to add these silver stars. These are die cut stars, and then some more pieces of these branches to look like there would be more behind the photograph, even though there are not. I just want to make it quite balanced, and I like the way it looks right now. In the end, I decided to add a real title, which is kind of rare for my layouts. I always use these more like here, the little flag handle with care. But this time I'm going to use stickers for the title. And I learned this ruler trick some years ago, and if I'm going to add a title with these, I'm using this kind of trick. I'm adding these beautifully and lined first on top of a ruler, and then I'm going to find where to put it, and ta-da! Here we go. Now it looks good, and I'm pretty happy about it. So I really hope you are inspired, and I hope you got something new to go with your next crafty project. Thanks for watching, and bye!